Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks. First, define your investment goals and understand your risk tolerance. This crucial step helps you choose suitable investments. Next, open a brokerage account with a reliable online platform. Many offer low fees and user-friendly interfaces. Finally, fund your account. You can typically do this through bank transfers, wire transfers, or even by mailing a check. It's simpler than you might think. Once your account is ready, it's time to research. Look into companies that interest you, checking their financial health and future prospects. Utilize resources like financial news, company reports, and expert analyses. Pay attention to key metrics such as the price-to-earnings ratio and revenue growth. Remember, diversifying your investments across various sectors can help manage risk and improve long-term returns.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're focused on learning new things. Check out the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's place an order. You'll typically choose between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the stock's ticker symbol and the quantity of shares you want. Always double-check all the details before confirming your purchase. It's important to be precise to avoid any errors. After buying stocks, managing your portfolio is key. Regularly monitor your investments and stay updated on market news and company performance. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your initial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, a long-term perspective often yields the best results, so avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.